In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or unhide transactions on Revolut. This is perfect for those moments when you're checking your finances in a public place, sharing your screen, or simply prefer a little extra privacy. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives and how to switch it on or off in seconds. First, open the Revolut app on your phone, then tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. That profile area is your hub for personal settings, so it's the quickest way to adjust how things look and feel in the app. Next, scroll down and go to Security and Privacy. This section gathers all the controls that help protect your information and manage what's visible on your screen. It's designed to make privacy easy without changing anything about your actual money or transactions. Once you're in Security and Privacy, look for the option called Hide Balances. This is the switch that controls whether amounts are shown or concealed throughout the app. It affects the numbers you see on your accounts, cards, vaults, and the amounts displayed alongside your recent transactions. Turn it on to hide your balances and transaction amounts. When this is enabled, the figures you usually see will be obscured, so someone glancing at your screen won't be able to read your totals or spot how much a particular transaction was for. Think of it like a privacy screen for your finances. Everything remains accurate and up to date behind the scenes, but the details aren't immediately visible. Turn it off to unhide and show your transactions again. As soon as you switch it off, all balances and amounts appear normally, just as you're used to. The change is instant and reversible, so you can toggle it whenever you need more privacy or want the full view. A quick reminder, this setting only affects what you see in the app. It doesn't delete, edit, or hide your actual history statements or exports. It's purely a visual layer meant to protect your information from prying eyes, and it won't impact how your account functions. And that's it. You've successfully hidden or unhidden your transactions on Revolut. Now you can move between private and full views with confidence, whether you're in a crowded space or back at your desk. If you found this helpful, keep this shortcut in mind the next time you need a little extra discretion. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.